chasing sunsets. What the hell has happened here? Damn, there's bad traffic. This isn't exactly the best thing. I think this ride, yeah guys, this ride might have just gone to waste. Yeah, I'm on the bike, but when there's so much traffic, it's like, bruh, can't even, and there's feds. Oh gosh. This is not going well, is it? No, it's just not. Did you lot really just block the whole way? Is that a girl? Yo! She winning. Nice R8 and the M4, yeah? We see you. It's GSC. Yo, her R8 was sick. She had a like plate and everything on it. Yeah, that's bad. This is a terrible idea. I should just touch his tyre just for doing that. You're like, jeez. Oh damn. What the hell has happened here? The hell? Well, that ain't good. Well, nothing down there. Beautiful summer weather. Come on, do you know why those speedboats here? This registration, always police in here. Always without fail. Let's see today if there's any. What? There's none? What? Bruh, that's weird. Don't you dare pull back out. Right hair is long! Bruh! Long hair don't care. Guys, this area is Greenwich. Yeah, that's what I can say. It's Greenwich, guys. Nothing else to really say about it. That's about it. Oh, shaking the crap out of me, man. Apart from that, this car, where's this car going? Can't see crap. I don't want to go down there. Need to do that. Bruh, look how low your front is to that curb, right? Or to the pavement. Could you imagine, right? Oh my nuts, ouch. Could you imagine, like I was saying before I became infertile, if that was any sort of sports car, your front is just gone, 100% gone. We're going this way today, chasing sunsets. You guys, we are chasing, what is it, 50 up here? Oh, I don't even know, I think it's 50 or 30, 1, 2. We're chasing sunsets on my beautiful Panigale V4S. I see a Porsche, me like Porsche, me hunt Porsche. Right, so through the tunnel. Actually, you guys might like this because this bike's gonna make a lot of noise. London ambulance, that's alright. That's alright, we can live with that. Race mode in the tunnel. Ooh, she sounds good. I went way too far. Oh yeah. Woo! That dip. Let's hope my battery lasts. Have not got a huge amount, guys, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna try and get a bit of speed. Not too much, obviously. Within reason, obviously. Boy. Let's play, boy. Come on, S3. You don't want to blame me? Really? What a shame. Well, that ain't a good sign. Hell to no. Sirens? No. Hell no. Anyway, we gotta get out. We need to get back on here, sorry. Or off. Oh, wait, what? I don't know what I'm talking about. But we need to get off here. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. We need to get oh hell no. How the hell, bruh? What is this? Nah man, you lot set me up for failure. Frick is this? Either way I'm having fun, but hey, freaking one-way system, bruh. That's not a good sign. No, not a fan still. Oh, this Ducati is fast. I don't even know what it did there, but I'm sure it did a pretty bug something. Could I have not a U-turn there? Nope. It's marking my life. It's like, no, you don't. Y'all holding hands? Alright, cool. 2022, right? Bruh, why do I recognize this area? Like, how is this how far I came? We're in like Hackney, man. Policia. Make sure they ain't turning around for me. Nope. Cool. We good. Come off it, man. Let's get out of here. Just enough space for the U-turn. Just enough. Just enough. Guys, I have a bit of a dilemma. I want bar and mirrors, right? Which is cool. What I don't like is, even with the bar and mirrors, how the hell do I get indicators on this damn bike? You know, so I can still indicate. I mean, with bar ends, there's no indicators when you got them here and there. So, what? How do you do it? I'm actually gonna die, guys. I'm just gonna say from now, like, share, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video so far. If the battery dies, I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna head back now. This is just a random ride. So yeah, I hope the battery lasts a little bit. Oh hell no, man! I don't want to go there. I ain't going there. That's not what I wanted. We're chilling. We're gonna chill. We're gonna chill and be humble. We're gonna chill and be humble.